Hello, I'm John Kroft. I am currently an 11th grader at Dover, and I'm enrolled in the Dover FFA chapter. I'm going to be talking about my Teach Ag lesson today. So my lesson was on painting. It was through like the power structural and technical kind of side. Um, I taught my Ag Mech 1 class, which is a class we offer in Dover. It's basically kind of like the Intro to Agricultural Mechanics. It's the first class you take. Uh, my idea for like the painting was my SAE project. My project is a Farm OM tractor, and over the summer I painted it using about 6 different colors on various parts, and I used probably about 3 gallons of paint. Um, I thought this would be a really good idea because there's like a lot of different things you can do with painting and a lot of like different outcomes and stuff you can do with it. So my lesson was to teach a slideshow, and then I took them into the shop and let them kind of like mess around with the paint guns, and then they all painted this like a cardboard box just to see like how they did. They built these like houses out of the cardboard boxes, and then I taught them like the setup, the cleaning, and like the use of the gun. So some of the things I want to talk about is my favorite part of the lesson. My favorite part was definitely just seeing the kids use the paint guns, because like everyone's used a rattle can that you shake and you just spray and then you throw it out. But not many people like actually get to use a spray gun that's hooked up to an air compressor. So it was really cool to see kids like use an actual spray gun. The most challenging part was probably the paint I used. The school had paint here, and I planned on using that paint. And when I did, the paint was like really old, and that's something I should have checked before I like did my lesson. But this paint was super old, and it clogged up my gun, so I did have to take a little bit of extra time cleaning the one gun that got clogged before all the students could go through and do it. My overall learning outcomes is that you need to be prepared for everything. I was not planning on that happening, but then I had to really rush in quick and try and clean these guns, and I did get some paint on my jeans and stuff. I wasn't prepared as much as I thought I really should have been, but now I know for the future that you really should have everything planned out and think of all the possible outcomes that there are. I didn't think it was a lot. I think it was really good. I think it was fun, especially like teaching in the classroom versus in the shop and like demonstrating. There was a very big difference between demonstrating and like just speaking about stuff. So I think it turned out really good. I was really happy with how everything went, and I was really happy with how the students acted and just how they were themselves and got to learn throughout the whole experience. Thank you.